Alright there, YouTube. How the fuck y'all doing today? Today, we got a lazy boy. If you got one of these lazy boys that, got one of these remotes with the... Well, nope, that's upside down. It don't normally look like that. There we go. It's a tethered remote. Looks about like that. We had an issue where Mom got in the chair, reclined the chair back, and the chair stopped responding. It didn't want to do anything. Unplugged it, verified everything, verified the power supply, checked everything we could, couldn't confirm what was exactly wrong, so I decided to take the remote apart. You're going to have to get a pry tool. I just took an old pocket knife, wedged right in here. This cover pops off. You got two little torx bits right there. This pops off. You got another two torx hidden right there. You can still see one of them in there. Small itty bitty buggers. Alright. And then you have to, I think I said pry that one off. Pry that off. You get in here. And the way I was able to confirm that it was dead, that this remote itself was dead, is I took a jumper wire. You have to push the button and connect the middle to the right as you push the button. If not, you'll short shit out. You push the button, have somebody help you hotwire the middle to the right, and chair moved just like it should have. Then we came up here, pushed this one, hot-wired middle to the right, chair moved like it should have. So these two switches died. As you can see on there, it's a KW113Z5. Bought them on Amazon for, I think it was $7 for a 2-pack. As you can see, there's a part number there if you want to. Yeah, it was cheaper to get it from China. Sue me, I don't care. But I'm gonna cut those off, solder it up, get everything back together, show you all it working, okay? Alright, YouTube, we confirmed repairs, so we're gonna go ahead and put this back together, show you how it goes back together real quick. That clips in, and where'd the other half go? The clamshell. And this is a torx number 3, is what it is. Yeah, we're going to do the Lewis Rossman trick. Uh-oh. Left, recline. And Bob's your auntie. There you go. Y'all have a good one.